Dear all, a threat actor known as space pirates targeting Russian IT organizations with undocumented malware. The IT organizations in Russia has been targeted by malicious malware campaign. The threat actor called Space Pirate is found linked to this malware campaign. This activity was detected in November 2024. This malware is still known as an undocumented malware named LuckySrtike Agent. In one of the attacks targeting a government sector customer, it was discovered that the attacker deploying various tools to facilitate reconnaissance, while also using LuckyStrike Agent, a multifunctional .NET backdoor that uses Microsoft OneDrive for command and control, C2. One of the active app groups specializing in theft of confidential information and espionage. These attacks identified as the threat actors gain access to the infrastructure by compromising a publicly accessible web service. This attacks also categorized by tools like DDRAT, ShadowPad Lite, etc. The analysis of the attack has revealed the threat actor's main goal is to harvest PST email archives by making use of DDRAT. Mitigation Strategies. Conduct effective cybersecurity awareness training for the organization's employees. Keep antivirus, endpoint security solution up to date.